my God. The dude has had his car for 1 day. What's going on today, guys? We are actually about to head out to a car show, but before we actually go over there, I have the merch. All right, let's see it. All right, so we got the MC Production Garage on the front, super nice. This is a canvas shirt. It is gonna be super nice fitting and everything like that. But on the back is my literal favorite part. Let's see if I can. As you can see here, it came out so sick. Chase killed this design for the clip. MC Production Garage right there. It feels actually super nice. It's just super light and everything like that. So if you guys want it, you're gonna have to come to the Mud Bash. And maybe there might be a select few that I'll be able to list online. So we got them here. Now you guys just gotta come buy them. Now let's go to a car meet, but with a twist. Well, let's see who we have that is arriving here now. See a few sick cars lined up to go to this show. There's Vinny, I see a lot of people. Holy crap, we got a mini car meet going on ourselves here. Oh my gosh, man. What do you got? Dude, this thing looks prettier in the light, dude.
So, I wasn't gonna clean it off until I saw that, and I'm like, oh my gosh,
that car's insane, dude.
Yeah,
I haven't seen it yet.
First time being out.
Yeah.
So I'm just excited. All right, guys. I just met Miller yesterday. I'm out of control. I don't know what I'm thinking, but I was like, hey man, what do you want to drive today?
To go to the car show.
To go to the car show, right? Yeah. And he was like, how about that tuned BMW? Well, I don't know what I'm doing, man.
Oh shit.
There you go.
Oh, where's it at? Where's it at?
It's out of the pit,
all right,
man.
let's see it. So I came over to Champion yesterday, met Jason and the whole crew, and they're letting me drive a car over to the car meet today, and I'm kind of excited. What's up, stranger? What's up? Look at my key. The tractor has arrived. Look at my key. Look what key I got.
Ah, you got my old car.
Yep. Where's it at?
Yeah,
is this it right here?
I'm jealous. That one looks way better than mine did.
Oh, let's freaking go. Oh my gosh. All right. So before further ado, we got to look at this car right here. This is Vinny's 67 Camaro. My first time seeing it.
What's up, Scud?
How's it going? How's it going? Oh my god. This car is insane. The bucket seats in the rear. So Jason actually invited me out to go to this car show tonight. He was like, yo dude, we're going to this car show. If you want to come over and take a car out and, you know, drive it over to the car show with us, come on. And I was like, that's actually super sick. So we're gonna drive this M235i. This car again? I don't know. M235i XMN LLP, but it should be fun. He said it was tuned, so I was like, shoot, I'll drive it. I'll take it. Then he started up. Let's see it. Listen to that. Oh my god. So he has super cool taillights, and I want to say, oh my god. Look at that. The infinity taillights. Oh my god, those are so sick. Those are awesome. Dude, seeing these two cars together is like so timeless. We got a 67 here and a 66 Mustang, so it's like cool to see the worlds collide between the two cars. So we're out here. It's starting to rain, as you guys can see. Vinny doesn't have windshield wipers, and there's a double rainbow. Like, how crazy can this night get?
Perfect night.
It's gonna get even more crazy if that tells you anything. All right, well, it's go time. The double rainbow is still there, and we're about to head out. We got a lot of cool cars. I don't know how to drive this. What am I doing? So we're already doing burnouts over here. I've never even driven a car like this before, so we're gonna see how we like it today. We're in sport mode now, apparently, so we need to lower the steering wheel. It's high up there. Ooh, perfect. Vinny coming. We got the Bros for Speed coming. We've got a whole bunch of people that are coming out to today. So, I mean, apparently this thing's tuned. I'm kind of excited now. All right, well, let's get it. Oh my god. Oh my god. The dude has had his car for 1 day. Oh, we got another one doing a burnout. Oh my God. This is too fun. Oh, this thing's fast. Yo, this thing's really fast. It's got a lot of pep. This thing's really pretty too. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. We're moving, baby. Dude, that's a lot of fun. You can't even feel this thing shift. I never thought I'd say that I like this car, but it actually drives super nice. They're all downshifting right now. It's pretty fun. So dumb, so dumb. Oh, there's quite a good. Looking like a good turnout that night, actually. What a lineup we brought. Oh, this thing's so cool. We got some people over here already. Look at the McLaren interior. You like this car?
Yep.
This car is actually really sick, isn't it? Oh, they made it over here. You made it over with the windshield wipers?
I made it without the windshield wipers.
Ooh, we got some cool cars out here for sure today. I found my favorite car here, guys. It's blue and convertible and has dub wheels on it. That's way nicer than your car, dude.
It's a real race car.
That's a real race. That's a real race car, dude.
Hey, we should build a donk.
Dude.
I've said that.
Yes.
Someone wanted to trade a donk from a Fox body.
This car right here. This thing's actually really sick. But the Pokemon car kind of fucks. Oh, what is this? Anime. Look, big trophy guy. Should I build a S2K? Should that be the next car build? Should I do that? How much was the M235i? I couldn't buy it because I wouldn't be able to say it. Dude, these are classics. Dude, homeboy's missing a headlight. It's a Charger truck. That's pretty cool. Oh, they're heading out. The race cars. You think they're going to 485? They're definitely going to 485 to race. Dude, this thing's bigger than my hand. Look at this wing. Look at this. This thing's actually really pretty. It's got Vorsteiner kit on it. Does it have a red interior? Yeah, the Vorsteiner wheels. This thing's actually really, really nice. I wonder who owns this car. This car is actually really, really sweet. Z? I'm not usually a big fan of the headlights on these. This one's actually really nice. It's got some nice wheels on it too. Yo. That's so cool. It reminds me of the S2K dashes. So they let me drive this M235i and it actually got me thinking, should I get, instead of saving up and dropping a crap ton of money on a RS3, should I build like a lesser car, say an S2000, one of these cars, just so I can still go up and have fun on the Dragon and do track days and stuff like that? Let me know in the comments because I'm really considering something like that, because that's actually a pretty good way to build my credit and to get back out there and not go spend 50 or 60 grand on an RS3 right away, since I am getting an X3 next month. So guys, let me know in the comments because I need some help picking out some stuff. All right guys, it is a few days later now and I've been a few places between here and then, but today we are actually surprising Vince. We're gonna go up to Boone Cars and Coffee. I got a friend behind me, follow me there, and I think we're gonna have a fun time. So excited to see Vince. He's not gonna expect it at all because we told him we wouldn't come today, and so we're gonna surprise him and go. Well, I went through the self-wash. I rinsed mine off real quick. Hadley is almost done with hers. She's got to dry off. Dang, hers does look good. Hers look way better than mine. All right, let's head over to the car meet. All right, Vince just made it here. Look at him. He doesn't know we're here. He doesn't know we're coming. But he's right there. I'm kind of nervous, to be honest.
I'm also scared.
We definitely drove all this way for no reason, but
Does he see us?
he doesn't see us. There's no way he sees us right now. Why are we hiding? Should we walk up to him? Big fan.
Yeah, big fan.
Is that VF Media?
Who's driving the car?
Wait, who's that guy?
Vince.
What's Vince driving? Oh, he's driving the Genesis. Here, come this way, come this way. Doobie! What's up, buddy? Where's he at? I'm his biggest fan.
Black Genesis.
Hey, yo! Big fan.
Wow, We're your biggest fans.
We're your biggest fans. I like your
You
Genesis,
like your
bud.
car kicking out in second gear in between shifts? You see that first and second shift where it kicked out?
He doesn't care. We drove all this way this morning and schemed just to surprise you.
I don't know how she's alive.
I don't know either.
I'm going back to bed. Good night.
We take our time to clean our cars. Vin shows up with this.
Oh, round 2, boys.
No, wait, no. Honestly.
They don't want to see my leak.
Viz, what are you driving today? What is this?
Yeah, the Jatussy.
All right, we got a beat. Ooh!
Ellie, quit whining.
Dude, is that a Hellcat? Is this a Hellcat? This thing actually sounds pretty good. Dude, it sounds really good. S3, S5. Ben! How are you, my dude?
All right, man.
How are you? Dude,
That's
I
a
miss
nice
you.
bagel fist bump.
Dude, bagel bump? Little bagel bump action?
I'm glad to see you in Boone.
Dude, I'm glad to be up here. I wish I could have had a cooler car up here. Next time, I'll bring a cooler car. Dude's got the i8 out here shredding. Oh!
Oh, that's a bent wheel.
Jake said it's probably faster than the actual i8. Animals have you killed with this bumper?
How many problem codes does it have right now?
You know what?
Does it have 52 problem codes?
Oh, ooh. Does it have a steering rack?
At least that's power steering. Oh, what the
And the spider intake?
Oh, yeah.
Engine?
Oh,
It's
spider?
big fast. You should hear the
That's a
exhaust.
Noob's intake.
Hey, yo, what kind of dog is that?
Hey, that's the Wookiee in the woods.
That's a Wookiee.
This is the Wookiee in the
We found the
woods.
real Wookiee.
This, I'll hold this.
Wait, I'll even move this.
He needs that for warmth when you lock him in there.
Just have a little seat there.
All right, Cameron, come on. Cameron, come on. Just get in there. Get in there. Cameron, just get in there.
Yo, is that a Harley Quinn? Such Louis. Lock the car, lock the car, lock the car, lock the car, lock the car. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
What's happening?
He might be suffocating.
Remember to lock your head.
Why do you have a toe?
Oh, Doobie,
Hey, what exhaust is this?
Hey,
What exhaust is this?
hey, yo, that's a center exit, baby. Oh, he's standing on his exhaust. What's your name?
Jackson.
Jackson, just subscribe to me on YouTube. Thanks, buddy.
Yep.
We'll see you later, bud.
Peace.
I'm outside, open up this lifestyle, don't got any downside.
Look like Vince has another engine code.
Jatussy!
Look at the Jatussy.
Is this the Jatussy right here?
Yeah, that's it right there. So we are actually gonna head out to 221. If you guys enjoy some driving from Hadley. Hadley, I'm gonna probably die. All right, so we got Vince in the lead. Ben, I honestly don't know if I miss riding in this car or not. It's very loud. Dude, we're going so intense. This is probably too fast for Cameron right now. Look at you go. Tight right? I know all the tight rides because that's where I'm gonna probably die. Hadley! Calm down!
My tires are so bad.
Tight right. Alright, Hadley. I'm gonna probably die. Alright, we're slowing it
Yo.
down.
Actually,
Now I'm just recording for my safety.
shut up. Sliding so bad.
I don't feel it rolling though. Your temperature might be too high. Alright, Vince is gonna get a little vlog footage. You gotta test drive this thing. We're almost in the ketchup.
Leaving as soon as
It was bad. Ketchup is past the mayo because the ketchup means blood.
is no
I actually
ketchup.
said
Exactly.
Ketchup is dead.
Yeah. Alright, here we go. Miller's Togue in the Jetta. Dang, Miller's kind of whipping it. That pretty good? Yeah.
Here comes the biker.
Hey, yo! I didn't know it was a full moon out today, baby. Good job. What are my friends, bro? Car's fine.
It's fine.
Car's fine. I didn't break it. I didn't break his second car.
Dude, are you a YouTuber, bro?
You do. Dude, look at this turbo. That thing's so sick. Oh, it sounds beautiful. Well, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video off here. Hope you guys have enjoyed this kind of random car vlog, but we are gonna head back to Charlotte now. I'm gonna go film another video. It is Easter Day. I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday over the weekend with your family, that kind of thing. I was unable to go see mine, but I do wish them a happy Easter as well. So if you guys are watching this, happy Easter. I miss you guys. But if you guys would leave a like and subscribe if you haven't. We're so close to 75K. We were there and then it dropped back for some reason, but you guys need to subscribe. So hope you guys will like and will comment, and I'll talk to you guys in Friday's video.
Miller left his camera on top of the M235i, so I took it. So I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my car. Look at that. Oh my god. The hellos. This is the best vehicle here. Miller left me. I don't know where he went.